Now let's take a look at the data content. So I'm first going to cover the industry data, and I'm going to come down here to the US data, and you can see that we've got four main areas of this data. We've got trading comparables, relative valuation, discount rates or WACC, how to build forecasts, and capital structure analysis. So if I go to the relative valuation first, at the very top, it covers the main industry multiples, and down below it gives me the multiples for all the individual sectors. So it gives me the price earnings multiples, price to book multiples, but also some EBITDA multiples and sales multiples, both on a trading basis and a forward basis. And I can search for a particular industry, and I can screen out non-financial companies, and I can download the content to Excel, or just copy it and paste it into Excel as well. In addition to relative valuation, we have discount rates. So it gives us at the very top the main industry metrics, the risk-free rates, but we've also got equity risk premiums, and right at the end here we also have credit spreads for different credit ratings. So this is everything that an analyst needs. So in addition to this, we also have it by industry down at the bottom, and you can see that we've got a cost of capital on the right, the implied industry cost of equity. So that is discount rates. We also have building forecasts, and this covers returns. It also covers growth rates and margins. So if you're modeling a company within an industry, you can benchmark your assumptions against the industry norms. And lastly, we have capital structure analysis as well. So this covers the main credit ratios, both on an industry basis and a whole market basis as well. So again, in your analysis, you can always benchmark it to the industry norms. And we have that both for the US markets and the European markets too.